I am Annie Satriana. I come from Makassar, South Sulawesi, Indonesia. I am a lecturer at Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Now I'm going to present my titles about Kolb's learning of style affect EFL creativity of Indonesian students. So this presentation will cover three parts. The first is introduction, the second is discussion, and the last one is conclusion. Let me start with the first is about introduction or the overview of this study. So the purpose of this study is to find out the learning preference of English as a foreign language for speaking ability. As we know that speaking is the most intense ability that commonly used in the communication, but still encounter many problems, and it will influence the misunderstanding of the students in terms of accuracy, fluency, flexibility, and comprehensibility. This study will explore learning style by Kolb's 2005, which consists of 4 stages. The first, diverging, which is feel and do. The second, assimilating, which is think and watch. And the third one is converger, which is related with think and do. And the last one is about accommodating, feel and do, whether the students can use actively experiment with the concept of experience implementation. Kolb's procedures related with 4 stages. The first, activist. The second, reflector. The third, theorist. And the last one is pragmatic. As we know that learning style refers to preferred ways of learning how to absorb, store and handle information. It is also stated with Misileu 2017 that successful learning happens when learners can perform all 4 stages of learning to have effective learning procedures. And the value of these studies is also related with the students and teachers' creativity and innovation to answer Industry 4.0. The research method of these studies is related with descriptive statistic analysis, which is applied Likert scale, related with questionnaires from Peter Honey and Alan Murnford 2006. The learning style questionnaire is designed to find out the learner preferred learning style in order to pinpoint learning preference, so the students are in better position to select learning experience that suit style for 58 students EFL Muhammadiyah students of Makassar. The content of the questionnaires is asking the students agree or disagree about the questions given to 70 questions provided. The data analysis, which is applied Shapiro wheel to find out the normality of the test. And the next is about result and discussion of these studies. The result of these studies is related to the 4 learning style. Most of the students prefer diverging and assimilating learning style. The distribution of the 4 types of learning is natural through Shapiro wheel test of 4 learning style has the probability level above 0.05, which is normal learning style. And then the student's personal style study refers the student's lifestyle, review of the questionnaires that learning styles are factors that affect students' learning process, cause students' learning style based on their individual differences. As we know that individual difference is really important to find out the success of the learners, because learners learn most effectively through specific experiences and reflective observation in the case of assimilating, think and watch, and through diverging, feel and watch. The learner of this style have a strong control need. They learn from creative lectures as well. So if the lecture can create a good design, so the students can understand effectively. The result of the research related with the types of learning style, assimilator and divergers are the most preferred by the students, while accommodator and convergers consist of 6. So most of the students choose assimilator and diverger. The recommendation of these studies is related with the academic achievement, learning ability, classroom setting, optimizing learning ability, because variety of teaching based on the result of the study, which is stated that the learning style is really has a good influence the successful of the students' learning outcome. And then this study also related with the students' reaction of the questionnaires, which is learning behavior related to learning preference of the students, the learning pattern, which influence the preference assimilating of the information. So the logical approach, ideas, concepts are really important in determining the behavior of the students. In general, the findings indicate that learning style is a combination of how learners involves a series of human activities including sensation, reflex, thinking, and doing, based on Kolb's Model 2005. And the last one is about human activities. Human activities is related with including sensation, thinking and doing, presentation or communication tools that can be used in different learning style. So positive and negative learning style, it depends on how lecturers create imagination and creativity in delivering the discussion or the material in the classroom. Last but not least, what makes this study unique, because after the researchers design the learning style and after the researchers knowing the learning preference of the students, then researchers design the instructional material based on the assimilating and divergence, of course. So I believe this is the novelty of these studies. So I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for the committee who has organized this virtual conference, TESOL International Virtual Conference 2020. Thank you very much. I am Eni Satriana from Makassar. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.